That's good. Here again in the Warrens area. The other half of the Warrens area now. Closest to the roundabout. To give you a full length view of all the buildings in the area. This is the Darcy Scott on the boat. Looking towards Simpson Motors and the ITC building. So this is the section of the Warrens area that will be taking back to the north or west of the island. So I'm looking towards Sol gas station, which was once Shell gas station. And it moved to the Warrens area in 1991. And from here you can see the CGI towers as well, which is an insurance company. CGI stands for Consumer Guarantee Insurance. And next to that you can see the Republic Bank head office, also in the Warrens area, which not the head office, a new branch of Republic Bank. Sorry, you can see the Chafet restaurant, which moved to Warrens in 1996. It opened on the 12th of December 1996. It is one of two remaining Chafet restaurants with a barbecue bar attached to it, barbecue bar and salad bar. And you can even see Massey Supermarket next door, which was Supercenter Supermarket. Supercenter was owned by BSMT once upon a time. You can see the Williams Tower, which is head office for Digicel in Barbados. And you can see the First Caribbean Bank. You can see the First Caribbean Bank headquarters in the background, which is to the eastern end of the Warrens area, taking you back to St. Thomas. And you can see the eastern end of the Baobab Tower. And you can see the Warrens West Center. And this is Simpson Motor, which is head off. Simpson Motor is the agent for Suzuki vehicles in Barbados, and they also specialize in Isuzu, Mitsubishi, Mercedes-Benz, Chevrolet, and Subaru vehicles. And that moved to Warrens in 1988 after it moved its Hansberry Road location, which is just northeast of Bridgetown. And you can see the ITC building, which stands for International Trading Center, which is now the head office for Simpson Motors, for Sol. The same guy who owns Simpson Motors is the same guy who owns all the Sol gas stations in Barbados and around the Caribbean. This is the section of the Warrens area where most of the amenities and businesses are located. Years ago, the Warrens area was mainly pertaining to agriculture. It was cane fields and cane ground. Now it is a business hub for business in Barbados, where businesses are moving out of the area into Warrens. You can buy the Simpson Motors once again. And you can see the nativity is, You can see the nativity scene display instead of Simpson Motors. This is the Sol head office, which was formerly ITC International Trading Center. So this section of the Warrens area will take you back to St. Thomas. This road will take you back to the parish of St. Thomas via Welches and Corsules. And it will take you back to the north of the island, and this is where Highway 2 begins, which is best referred to as the Roundabout Highway. Highway 2 begins around here. Highway 2 can best be referred to as the Ronomac Highway. So this is the old Warrens Road. Before there was an ABC Highway. This was the only road in Warrens, to the western side of Warrens, that would take you back to Highway 2 or the Ronomac, and better referred to as the Ronomac Highway. This other road here that I'm looking at now was only built after the highway was constructed. The road that leads back to the University of the West Indies, and you can even see the eastern end of the Baobab Towers from here as well. But you can't meet the western end, but you can't see it from here because it's around the corner from where I'm standing. But the western end of the Baobab Towers is just around here. This is where you can see all the buildings. And the Saw head office. You even see the remains of the old Warrens sugar factory as well. Looking at Warrens now, one would never believe that this was a plantation area years ago. Has developed so much over the years, starting from the 90s, where businesses are moving out of town into the area. Thank you guys for watching now, and have a blessed evening.
Yeah.